Hello everyone, my name is Mahdieh Safaei from Iran. I study PhD in biomedical science.
Since my first semester, I have participated in many EMI classes. To be honest, it is the first time in my life that I have attended classes in English, because in my country all education levels are in our native language. At the beginning, I was worried that maybe my English was not good enough to understand my professor's lecture, and I was hesitant to ask questions in the classes. However, I came out of all these challenges in just a few weeks. There are many reasons that EMI courses help me to conquer all these difficulties. The most important of which is the strategy of EMI. To be more precise, EMI provides a platform to all students to get more familiar with the English language. So it helps me to get rid of my hesitation, improve my reading and speaking skills, and become more interactive with students and professors. Furthermore, the professor's attitude in all EMI courses proliferated my academic qualities, as well as English communication skills. To such an extent, I feel confident enough to take part in international conferences and community. All of the EMI courses that I've attended are full of knowledge and experience. In my opinion, molecular medicine can be considered as the most dynamic and effective class. I also want to say that during EMI courses, I found so many Taiwanese and international friends. We spent a lot of time together. We helped each other in our lab work. We studied together. And sometimes, after finishing our classes, we play basketball, take part in many activities like tea ceremony and dancing. Therefore, EMI courses bring all students from different nationalities, beliefs, and cultures together and encourage them to work as a team. It is noteworthy to say that because of EMI courses, I never feel lonely in Taiwan, although it is my first time that I am far from my family and country.
Thank you CMU and EMI courses to improve my knowledge and having memorable time and forgettable friends in Taiwan.